Welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I want to show you these Harbor Freight super coupons. These are good from July 14th through the 27th. And now you will need these coupons when you go on store. They're not just automatic, so just keep that in mind. First up, this is a store-wide brand coupon for 20% off all Maddox products. So Maddox, the Automotive brand, anything with the Maddox name on it's going to be 20% off. Now let's jump right in, guys. I want to show you some power tools first off. This is a Bauer 8.5 amp half-inch impact wrench with rocker switch for $59.99. This is going to be 14% off. And this delivers up to 10 50 foot-pounds of breakaway torque and 300 foot-pounds of fastening torque. Now this is corded, keep that in mind, but it is fairly powerful and it is on their super coupons deal. Bauer has this 7.5 amp half-inch variable speed hammer drill for $39.99. This is going to be 11% off. And this is going to deliver 60% more power, longer life with this 7.5 amp variable speed and reversible hammer drill. Next up from Hercules, you have this 550-pound universal aluminum mobile folding miter saw stand for $149.99. It's going to be $30 off. Now this is 10% lighter aluminum construction, but it supports 35% more weight. Now Bauer has this 10 amp variable speed reciprocating saw for $49.99. This is going to be 18% off. It has a powerful 10 amp motor with variable speeds up to 2,500 strokes per minute. Hercules, they have these impact rated hex shank titanium drill bit sets. This is a 7-piece set for $9.99, it's 16% off. Now they're saying they offer 4 times longer life on these. Grants, they have, if you're going to be doing some auto detailing, these are some dirt guards, 3.5 to 7 gallon buckets. And what you do is you just insert this orange part down, and it's going to keep the big pieces of dirt and clumps from circulating in the water. This is going to be 37% off, and it's going to trap that grit and grime down towards the bottom, so you can kind of use the whole bucket above that area with the clean water and clean your car with it. This is kind of what they're showing. This is another example here. Next from Warrior, you've got these 10 amp 7-inch variable speed rotary polisher and sander tools, $32.99. These are going to be 17% off. And Chicago Electric has these 10-inch sliding compound miter saws for $119.99. These are going to be $35 off. And they're saying these are ideal for kind of, I would say DIY work at home, mid-level work. They do have their Hercules brand, which is just a little bit better, but this is fine for if you're doing some DIY stuff. Bauer has this 11 amp SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer for $129.99. This is $20 off. This is going to be able to power through concrete and masonry, they're saying. They also have this 8 amp 4.5 inch trigger grip angle grinder for $29.99. This is 14% off. And this is going to deliver up to 11,000 RPMs. They have a 2-position side handle and tool-free guard as well on this one. Warrior, they have this 0.7 amp rotary toolkit. This is an 80-piece kit at 11% off at $7.99. You can get up to 4 of these with this coupon. This is a little bit of close-up of the actual tool here, and this is corded. Drill Master, they've got this 2.4 amp trim router. This is going to be $21.99 or 12% off. And this is just a trim router for kind of remodeling and flush trimming, although check the ratings on that one. The ratings are a little bit lower. Hercules, they've got this 2.4 amp orbital quarter sheet sander with soft start, $34.99. You're going to be getting this one for 22% off. And you're not going to be having the swirl finishes. It's swirl-free finishes. That's like a tongue twister. Bauer, they've got this 1.2 amp corner detail sander with the sealed on-off switch for $17.99. This is going to be 28% off, and this delivers up to 10 times more power. Next up, Fortress has this 26-gallon, 175 PSI ultra-quiet air compressor for $349. This is going to be $50 off. And they're saying this is 80% quieter than other shop compressors. Now you can get up to 1, and this is good until 7/27/25. Banks, they have this 18-gauge 2-in-1 brad nailer and narrow crown stapler. So So you're getting a 2-in-1, the nailer as well as the stapler for $22.99 or 42% off. That's a pretty decent savings. Now Bauer, they had this 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer. This is the tool only, but it's going to be 10% off at $89.99. You're saving about $10 here, and they're saying this can drive up to 60 nails per minute without a compressor. Central Pneumatic, they've got their 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun for $11.89. That's going to be 30% off, and they're saying this prevents overspray on this model. Now, if you just need some Merlin premium air compressor accessories, this is an accessory kit. It's a 20-piece kit here for $17.99. This is going to be 21% off. And then Fortress, they have their 2-gallon 135 PSI ultra quiet hand carry job site air compressor, so you can carry this one around. This is going to be $169.99 at $20 off. And this one's only 60 decibels, so it's not very loud at all, and also delivers 50% more runtime. Merlin, they've got this 3/8 of an inch by 50-foot PVC rubber hybrid air hose. I like that green color for $22.49. That's going to be 25% off. Now switching over to Automotive here, Pittsburgh has this 3-ton low pro floor jack with a rapid pump in slate gray. This is going to be $149.99. That's going to be $20 off. And this, you're going to be able to lift your vehicle with just 3.5 pumps here. Now, if you're going to be working more on the belt system, this is a serpentine belt toolkit for $14.99. This is going to be 31% off, and it does have the spring-loaded idler pulleys here. Hallmaster, they have these 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie-down. This is a 4-pack at $6.99. That's a pretty good deal, 46% off here. And this is for those heavier loads. They actually have some camouflage ones that I'm going to show you coming up. Syntec, they have these 12-volt analog chargers with engine start. $44.99. This is 10% off. So this is nice. You're able to actually charge your battery. Has 3 different modes and smart tech, and you can jumpstart your vehicle from that too. Now Viking has their microprocessor controlled battery charger. Pretty similar, but this one doesn't have the jump feature that I can see. But a lot of times if your car has some kind of parasitic leak, you're going to need something like this. And this one's 14% off at $59, and they use the smart tech so it won't overcharge your battery. Hallmaster, with the summer coming up, you may need to carry some extra things behind your car. This is a 500-pound capacity steel cargo carrier, $44.99. This is 25% off. You can see in the pictures what they're carrying, like coolers for the beach, and then some mulch if they're coming back from a home improvement store. Hallmaster has these 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitches with a 6-inch drop and a 6-inch rise, $109.99 or $20 off. Now these are those 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 8-foot camouflage ratcheting tie downs. This one, I think I've never seen it here, but it's a 4-pack for $13.99 at 22% off. Now Quinn has these 3/4 inch drive socket accessory kits. This is a 5-piece set at $34.99 at 12% off. And this has the 3/4 inch female, 1/2-inch male adapter and 3 extensions, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch. Next, Quinn has these premium screwdriver sets. This is a 15-piece set here with the magnetized ends, and I think they're dipped in that black material at the end as well. Pittsburgh, they've got these 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric high-vis socket sets. This is a 21-piece set at $14.99, 16% off. And these come in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Doyle, they have these heavy-duty ratcheting crimpers at $13.99. This is going to be 30% off. And they offer a full cycle crimping and a uniform crimp every time they're stating. And guys, if you've made it this far in the video, we're not done yet, but please leave a like and a comment down below as far as what you may be getting or if you think these deals are pretty crap. Pittsburgh, they have these 3/8 of an inch drive composite quick release ratchets. These are nice because they're non-marring and non-conductive, which makes it great for automotive work, so you won't be shocking or electrocuting yourself. They also have a push button release. HFT has these 6-outlet power strips with metal housing. In yellow, they're $17.29. They're 24% off. They have 6 outlets, 2 of which have been given some extra space for those larger cables. Now, if you have any type of automotive work you're doing or a power outage, this is an 180 lumen rotating magnetic LED work light. So the very bottom here, you'll see in a second, has a magnet so you can pop them on anywhere. 14% off at $429 here. Hardy has these high dexterity impact resistant work gloves in medium, $12.99. These are 13% off. And you can see they have those plastic. I'm going to change the view. You can see on the back they have the little plastic, which makes them impact resistant. So you've seen the picture here, say he drops the concrete cinder block on the back of his hands or someone else does, they're going to protect him. Now, these are some Badlands. This is a new item. It's a Badland winching glove in large, $19.99 or 20% off. These are made by the same people that make the actual winches, so hopefully they're pretty good, and they're going to prevent rope burns as well. Franklin, they've got these 2-in-1 convertible hand trucks. These are 800 by 600 pounds capacity, depending on how you use it. It does turn into a platform truck here at $79. I really like these. These are those foldable aluminum sports chairs. They come in blue and green. $24.99 or 16% off. They have all these pockets on the side. You've got a water bottle carrier, zip-up pocket, and then two Velcro pockets. You also get a little magazine area as well as a platform on the side. You can put your glasses, phone, or food as well. Now, guys, I would recommend these deals. My computer was crashing, so I was not able to go over every single deal here, but you can check them out for yourself online. They had some pretty decent ones, and the power tools were a little bit more extensive here. They had some storage deals as well that you can check out. Now, guys, go ahead and check this out. I would recommend it. These are the July super coupon deals, good through July 27th.